I'm installing Ditra Heat. This is the roll and those are the panels. I've already undercut all the jambs.
The floor is being swept and vacuumed. Cut in all the heat mat.
Got all the roll down and knobs coming out. So 1/4 inch square notch trowel. So mix my thinset, let it slate.
Wipe the substrate with a damp sponge to remove dust and moisten the substrate. Clean the thinset with the flat side of the trowel and notch it out. Embed them out into the thinset, making sure you get all the air out.
And that's what you want to see.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
So line up in the wire. First I'm going to test it.
Be sure to test the wire according to directions. Install the wire in the mat according to manufacturer directions.
These little loops here because you can't have a run of wire more than 10 feet.
Install both sensors. Test the wire a second time.
Porcelain tile, 8 inch by 36 inch.
Undercut the casings to fit the tile, allowing for thinset. Then install your tile using the proper notch trowel. Check cards for a link to the complete tutorial on how to install Ditra Heat.
Test it one last time.